Hey, Ben1 students, this is Mr. Colbert. Today we're going to be working with lesson 7.35. This is going to be the new skills that we're going to be working in. This is going to be creating a pie chart and then formatting that pie chart once we get it created. So again, this is going to be in Excel. My favorite way to open Excel is to simply click on the search button, type in Excel, and open it up like so. So we're going to double click on blank workbook like here, and we are going to type in the data for this. It's not a lot of data, so we'll get that done really quick. Okay, so that's the information for this exercise. We've used the default font for the spreadsheet. I'm sorry, no, they want us to change this font. So we're going to select the entire worksheet, select change the font to Arial, and go to let's try that again, and go to 10 point. All right, we are going to save this spreadsheet on our home directory on the computer, on the school network. That's the H drive, and we are going to name this features. So we'll see the file name right here, features, followed by the program name, Excel. All right. All right. So we are going to change cell A1 to 16 point, and we are going to format column A to 26 and column B to 20. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to create a pie chart using this data. One of the cool things about Excel is that you can make charts really quickly, really easy, and they look very nice. So we're going to select cells A4 to B9. So I clicked in the name box, typed in A4 to B9. You could also simply highlight those and go from there. So A4 to, let's see, A4 to B9. And we are going to create a pie chart. So the pie chart is going to be under the insert ribbon. And you can see under the charts group, these are all the different kinds of charts that you can work with. Pie charts are right here. We're going to do the very simplest chart, which is the 2D pie chart right here. (2D pie). All right. So some quick things about charts. This whole thing right here is called the chart area. This is the chart title. This is the pie chart itself. This is your legend. And so these are different things. If you're ever working in a charting exercise and you are not exactly sure what they want you to do, you can always click on the chart and that'll bring up your chart tools. You have design and format. So right here, this is like a trick that I love. If it says to change something, like maybe the legend, and let's say you just can't remember exactly what the legend is in a chart, just click on that drop down, select legend, and it will become selected for you. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to manipulate the chart title, and they want us to give it a different chart title. So most, I'm going to turn off my caps lock. Most popular tutoring that works features. Okay. They want the legend to be on the right instead of at the bottom. Right here. Let's see. Okay, so I don't see anything that says where I can change that. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click on it and go to Format Legend. So what that will do, I'm going to move this little guy. This will bring up your legend options over at the right. And this one of the legend options is position. So we're going to change the position to the right, and Excel pretty much adjusts everything pretty automatically. They do not want any data labels in this, so we're good here. And we're going to move this to a new sheet. So right now we're in sheet 1, and the chart is an object inside sheet 1. I'm sorry. So we're going to click on this, go to Chart Tools and Design, and we're going to move the chart location, the location of the chart. So we're going to click Move Chart, and we're going to select it as a new sheet. And so now we have 2 tabs, Chart 1 and Sheet 1, and the chart takes up the entire tab. Okay. So we're going to format the chart area to have a background fill of light orange. So remember, if you don't remember exactly what something is in a chart, you can always go to the Format tab and select the thing that they want you to format. So the chart area is the entire thing, and they want us to change the background fill color so that it has a light orange fill. Okay. Orange. What's orange to me? So I'm going to choose one of these lighter ones. Okay. And now they want us to format the piece of the pie. So choose your location is this blue, and it's kind of a dark blue. And this is a little bit tricky, not horrible, but you can click right here and you can see that every piece of the pie is selected because you see the selection points. What we want to do is we want to select just this choose your location piece of the pie. So we click on it a second time, and now the selection points are just on that piece of pie. We're going to change that pie piece to light blue, like so. So private or small group is this orangish color, so we click on it 2 times to select just that piece of pie, and they want that to be like a bright orange. Just this. Flexible scheduling is this gray piece of pie, so we click on it twice. They want it to be just a blue color. That's light blue. Let's try again. Blue. Credentialed tutors. It says this piece of the pie, so let's click on that twice. They want that to be green. Catch up quickly is this piece of the pie, and they want it to be red. And best material retention is going to be yellow, like so. Okay, so the chart legend, they want the background to be an olive green. So we're going to select the legend. The shape fill is going to be this. Let's try that again. Format legend, shape fill. Let's see if we can find something that's like more olive greeny. All of this kind of like this. That'll be good. Okay. The legend background to be olive green and the font size of the legend to be 16 point. And right now it's 9 points. So we want it to be a little bit larger. We're going to format the chart's title so that it's blue. And it is going to be 24 point and bold. Okay, we want to adjust the page scaling for this. One of the things when the chart is on its own tab, it is automatically scaled to be to one page. Now we may need to go to the sheet and do that. Like so. And that's that. So if we look at the print preview for this, this is what that chart would look like. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.